Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Malinga Sise of Herb and Harvest Organic Farm. For all of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I am so grateful. And for those who are still new, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Today, I want us to address this issue that I think everyone is suffering from, this diarrhea in their poultry farms, because in the comment section, in my WhatsApp messages, most of us are being affected by diarrhea in our poultry farms. And by the way, there are so many, all these poultry diseases make these birds to diarrhea. I don't know why, because if we come to Newcastle disease, you'll find that the birds will be diarrheating. If we come to Gomboro, the birds will be diarrheating. If we come to fall typhoid, fall pox, chronic respiratory diseases, all still makes these birds to diarrhea. And I want us to address this issue as fast as possible. Once you see any type of dropping that you don't understand it, I want you to give only these 2 herbal remedies. It will work as fast and as soon as possible. In fact, I have used this several times, and that is why I confidently give it to you to use it. If you see coccidiosis in your farm, if you see whitish diarrhea, greenish diarrhea, milkish diarrhea, you know, any type of diarrhea, brownish diarrhea, bloody diarrhea that you don't understand it, I want you to use only these 2 herbal remedies, and that is the charcoal, and we shall also use the aloe vera. I've not talked about the rest, like the papaya leaves, but this one I'm very sure you can easily get it, because the papaya leaves sometimes you'll have to go to someone's garden, but for the aloe vera nowadays it's everywhere in the market. For the charcoal, you'll just go to a charcoal store and ask them to give the residues, those ones which are in powder form, and you use it. But for us to prevent these birds or protect them from getting this diarrhea, first of all, our hygiene must be very well. Okay, make sure your birds are feeding on clean feeds. Make sure your birds are taking clean drinking water, and make sure that your chicken house is not wet. Make sure the litter is okay. Make sure you clean it so regular. I say that we should clean at least between 4 to 6 months. Okay, and when you're putting the litter there, today we've been putting the litter in our chicken house, make sure it is at least 6 inches down. Actually, if you cannot afford to make it to 6 inches, make it at least from 4 inches deep. In that way, we shall really protect this bird from getting all these diseases. So we are going to prepare the aloe vera together. We shall mix it with the charcoal, and this time I have a different method I use. So let us go and prepare all these herbal remedies and give it to our birds. So these are the 2 herbal remedies that we are going to use to cure any type of diarrhea that you see in your poultry farm. Please, we shall use these 2 herbal remedies, okay? Because I'm very sure these ones you can get it so easily compared to the rest. For the charcoal, someone was asking me how can I be sure that this charcoal is good charcoal. Most of these charcoal stores in Africa, they sell good charcoal because they are all burnt from woods there in the villages. Okay, so most of them are good charcoal. So we are going to use this charcoal to treat this chronic, and the aloe vera. So let me start with the aloe vera first. We are first going to blend this aloe vera. Let's do it quickly. Guys, it has really been raining here, but I just feel like I should not finish this day. You know, I've been using also my aloe vera. See, I'm actually finishing it. Shall give it to our birds. You must wash it well. Now, shall leave this for tomorrow. Let me put this one aside. I will blend it as the whole thing. I don't shall blend the whole thing. Some of you are asking me, should we only get the gel? No, me, I always do the whole thing. Shall go and blend this. Trust me, within 2-3 days, your chicken dropping will change immediately. Guys, let us really be so consistent on using these herbal remedies, because sincerely speaking, these herbal remedies work, and I'm already starting to receive so many testimonies from you guys, those who are using these herbal remedies. I want to thank all of you for embracing the use of these herbal remedies. This is how I prepare it. And this aloe vera doesn't only help in the diarrhea. It has so many other uses that we have talked about. Let us add in some water. Now let us first go and blend this one. So we are going to mix it in this bucket of ours. Let me put that one there. Now let us prepare the charcoal, and we also mix it here. Let's put this one aside. Now we are going to prepare our charcoal, but this charcoal I want us to make it in powder form today, because I normally prefer it in powder form. When I mix it with the drinking water, all the bird is in position to drink, and it works very fast for me. That is why I'm going to show you how I normally grind this charcoal. Can you imagine? I normally use this machine. It is part of my blender. This is what I normally use for grinding. But if I don't have the other powdered one, like the ones in small particles, I normally first pound this one, and then I will take to the machine. Then we shall grind it. So I'll first pound it. This is why some of you don't want to use these herbal remedies, because you already think the work is really hard. So we shall just pound it into smaller particles, just breaking it, not actually pounding. Shall just break it. First break it. So after breaking it like this, I'm going to put it in the machine here. Trust me, to go and break it all. So this is how I normally do it. Since I have a small machine, a small grinder, I'm just going to take a small one. Like we shall do it in portion, okay? Because we have to use what we have. This one is enough. This is our powder. Wow. This grinder of ours is really so magical. Check what it has grinded. So let us we're going to again put another one. I don't need too much. I'm just going to add it twice. So let us blend. Let us again on. I'm just breaking it into smaller. Others are stuck down here. Do like this. Guys, sometimes when your birds are sick, you have to go an extra mile to make sure that you cure them. So this is enough. Shall go and grind it with our machine. At least our machine has really helped us. This is enough. Let's go. Let's put it in the grinder. So this is what we are going to grind. Wow, our charcoal is done, see? So guys, this is our powder that we are going to use. Wow. So this is what we are going to mix with our aloe vera and give it to the birds. And for those who have very many birds, I think you need to get a bigger grinder because it makes the work more easier. Okay. And here I told you I prefer mixing it in the drinking water. So me, I'm going to mix this charcoal in the drinking water. So let's mix. So this is our aloe vera. We are going to mix it with the charcoal right here like this. Use this. Oh my God, other supply. This is aloe vera mixed with the charcoal. Shall give it to our birds. Trust me, if you use this mixture, within only 2 days, the diarrhea will stop immediately, and you're supposed to give it at least for 5 to 7 days. This remedy is so effective. Just know I've said it's so effective, so please let us really be consistent in using this herbal remedy. It's so effective. Within 2 days, you will see the dropping will change immediately. Whether it is diarrhea from coccidiosis, whether it is from chronic respiratory disease, much as you're giving those other remedies for the chronic respiratory diseases, make sure you put the charcoal also aside there. Let's take this to the farm. So for today, that is all I had for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always coming back. And if you're still new, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you never miss out any upload. Share this video, comment in the comment section down below, and I will be so grateful. See you next time. Love you all. Bye-bye.